guys, welcome back to our channel. It's the Parent Entrepreneurs here. So today we'll be continuing our series of investing with Mac. So we will go over to actually how to start, right? So if you have not watched the previous video, please go watch it now so it's all gonna make sense. So I'll be focusing on high risk investment, trading specifically on penny stocks. All right. So as usual, as a disclaimer, I am not a professional financial advisor. This is just for educational purposes only. And if you're looking for professional advice, to seek out a registered financial advisor. All right, so let's get started. So a lot of people ask me this question: how do I get started? So the first step I always tell people is to open up a trading account right away, as I have seen people take all this valuable information but fall short in actually taking action. So make sure to open up a trading account after you have watched this video. So in Canada, they make it simple to open up a direct investing account. So the ones that we have opened are the ones RBC Direct Investing, Scotiabank iTrade, and TD Ameritrade. So those are the big threes that we opened up because they made it so simple just to open up an account with them. So if you already use day-to-day banking with the big banks, then all you would need to tell them is that you want to open up a direct investing account. So of course there are other brokerage accounts that you can open. I have friends and family that use Questrade, Wealthsimple, Interactive Broker, and etc. So the major difference for these brokerage account is the commission fee. So for example, RBC Direct Investing charged $9.95 per transaction or per trade. So if you buy, let's say, $1,000 worth of stocks, you have to consider the $9.95 to buy and another $9.95 to sell. So basically you're spending $20 to buy and sell a specific stocks or company, right? So you have to take that into consideration. So another example is Questrade. So the commission structure is a little bit different. So they charge 1 cent per share with a minimum purchase of $4.95 and a maximum charge of $9.95. So it's really up to you what you are most comfortable with. All you have to take into consideration is that if you go with the big banks and you go with the giant brokerage firm, that has been in business for quite some time, then you're gonna be looking to pay for commission fee for every trade that you do, right? So but let's say if you don't want to pay the commission fee for every trade, right? You don't want to do that because you want to save a little bit of money, right? So what you could do is you can look at other platform or other brokerage firm such as Wealthsimple, Robinhood, and etc. So another thing to consider is that when you are opening up your investing account, there are different types. So there are registered accounts like TFSA, RSP, RESP that you can open, or there are what they call non-registered accounts like a cash account and a margin account. So if you're just starting out, I would highly suggest opening up a TFSA account. So it's a tax-free savings account. So I suggest this because any money you make in the market, it's tax-free. So for example, if you make 100K in the market, it is completely tax-free. So that 100K is actually yours. No tax in it or on it or whatever you want to call it, right? So this is coming from personal experience and it's very easy to take out of your TFSA account. And I remember too when I took that money out, I'm like, whoa, is this real money? And once you have it in your actual day-to-day banking account, you're just like, wow, I just made that much money. So it's really kind of cool to see that money that you make in the market, it's yours. All right, so as anything in life, there's always a caveat, right? So any capital loss for your TFSA account, you cannot claim. Okay, so let's say for example, if you lose 10K in the market, you cannot claim that as a capital loss. So just always remember that. So that's the very first step in actually taking action on the journey of your trading career, whether it's part-time or full-time. So just remember that when you start taking action, now you're gonna have skin in the game, and that's the most important thing. Is once you take it very very seriously, and once you put money in the market, and it's the money that you work hard for, of course you're gonna learn as much as you can, and you're gonna take risks, and also not just risk but calculated risk, so that if you put that 1,000 or 10,000 in, you're not just gonna put it in a company that you haven't done any research on, right? So when you have skin in the game, definitely you're gonna take action to become successful. And just remember, inaction creates nothing while action creates success. So hope this was an informative video, and see you guys in the next one. All right, so take care and have a great day.